Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. It's Rejoice, and today I will be showing you how to do a full face makeup on acne skin. It's like mine, as you can see. So let's begin. For acne skin, we'll start off with our sunscreen. Here is our sunscreen, SPF. Don't forget sunscreen, especially as an acne prone skin individual. Very important. This area where I have acne, I put enough of it. The sunscreen I used is Cetaphil 50 SPF. I think you can see clearly. It's very good but expensive, but it's worth it. So now the primer I'm going for is fitme primer. We all know fitme products. You press in, let it enter. To block the makeup products from penetrating into your skin. Next is this liquid camouflage primer for under eyes from Catrice Cosmetics. Just for the under eyes. And the foundation I'm going in with today is L'Oreal. Oh my goodness, I got L'Oreal, I got Maybelline, I got Mary Kay. So today I prefer to go in with this L'Oreal 24-hour wear. Remember, a bit of every product but not too much. See this brush, you use this brush to spread it first of all before you go in to blend with your beauty blender. Spread it with this brush first. Those are some basic makeup tips that we don't see on TikTok. We only see fast videos there, but the basic tips are here on YouTube. You spread it out with the brush before you go in with the beauty blender, just to press it in. So now I get my beauty blender. Start pressing it in. So for contouring now, I will go in with this fitme 220 to contour my face and my jawline, my under eyes and my jawline here, you know. Don't worry, I'll spread it with the brush. And then on the eye, I highlighted. You see, it looks different from the one I haven't highlighted yet. And the eye looks a little bit smaller than the other one. That's the magic of highlighting. So at this point in time, we move on to contouring our face. Now, first of all, go ahead to use this makeup drops for the contouring part. Oh. I can get another clean brush to apply this, and I use this. At this point, we can go in with our setting powder to set in the highlights and to set in the contours. The highlights, I'll be using this fitme powder. It's a loose powder. At this point in time, we'll go in with this to set in the contour lines. Now we're gonna go again with a little bit of setting powder for the under eyes. After highlighting your nose line, I usually advise you go again for the second round to set the under eyes. You set it, but this time around just the area closer to the nose line. Around, I'm gonna go ahead to set my whole face using this powder. Just to set my whole face. I actually spread it so close, and then now we get the highlighter. Here's the highlighter. You know what? For the highlighter, you focus it on the highest point of your cheekbone. Yeah. Yeah guys, so basically this is how your skin should look after makeup as an acne prone skin individual, after setting all the powders and foundation in. So I'll go ahead now and do my eyebrows and eyeshadow, lips. I'll show you the finished look. Yeah okay guys, so I'm done applying my eyeshadow and my lipstick, so my eyebrows, so that is the finished look. As you can see, full coverage, and I look so wow. I know I look wow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. For subsequent videos, any question, let me know on the comment box, and until then we'll see. Check out on my videos, and guys, let's work together. Subscribe. Let me do any video you are still struggling on.